In this video I will show you how to create AI text-to-image and text-to-video or image-to-video all for free. First, we will take a look at what I think is the best website I know for text-to-image, and it's free to use without limit. The only time it won't let you generate an image is if there is high demand, so it's best to use the service when not so many people are using it. The website is playground.com. Once you sign up, you get this page where you can enter your prompt, and if you wish to use a filter for different styles depending on what it is you are creating, you can leave this as none if you are not sure. If you are using a short prompt with not much detail, you can use Expand Prompt to let AI think of something for you. Down here you can select what you want to exclude from the image. Over the other side there is various other settings, including the image dimensions and how many images at a time you wish to create. So let's enter something in the prompt and see what happens. I like to create futuristic stuff, so I will type something like this: a cyberpunk man with a cool jacket and hairstyle, tattoo on neck, sunglasses and standing looking over city below. Lights glowing from buildings and raining, wet look. Okay, let's see what this can create. Click on the generate button at the bottom and wait for the image. Now check out what we have. It didn't do quite what I wanted, so I may want to change the wording to get things right. It can take some messing around, but I like this image. Now let's take a look at a website for creating video with AI. This website is called Pixverse. The link is in the description for all these. Once you sign up, you can press on Create at the top right to create videos. As you can see, I already have some I made. Just like before, you have a prompt box where you type in what you would like, and again the negative prompt if you wish. Select a style for the image down here and the aspect ratio. Once done, click on the Create button. Now we just have to wait for the video to generate. This can take some time. Once done, the video will show, and you can hover over the image to play the video or click to enlarge. You can click on the upscale button to create a higher quality version. This is the result when done. It's done a good job of anime, but I find for realistic images, just like the cyberpunk one I created, it's best to generate the image from playground.com and import it into Pixverse. I will show you how to do that now. Notice above prompt you can select image. Hover over add image and select upload file. Now search for the image you downloaded from Playground or any other website you got the image from. Add that and enter a prompt. This will be what you want the image to do. Well, I want the city lights to glow and the man to have a wet look because he is in the rain. I also want him to turn and face the camera. Okay, let's see how this does. Okay, not bad, but it's not perfect, so I will click on retry and see if I get a better result. If not, maybe wording what you would like better will fix things. These amazing videos are what I created from using these websites. Take a look.